wall. Now we just gotta customize this thing so that it's exactly what Mike wants, where that dude can go in there and just jam. And I'm gonna join him, because he said he needed a tambourinist. All right, we'll work this thing out.
Okay.
See you later.
Thank you, Chip.
I think I got it. You should see me, baby. I can get after it.
No, wait, yeah.
And then I can also do a hip move that's pretty cool that a lot of the girls in college like.
Tambourine. Hey, I'm doing good.
You all right? Good to see you.
So today I'm meeting with Jimmy Don. I have a project that I want to have him help me with at the Herrera home. I've got this space for about 4 foot wide by 5 foot tall.
I do that.
Want it more rectangular, not square. Everything left justified like this. Basically, Mike, he's a musician, and he has written a song for Holly a long time ago, but we got a hold of the lyrics, and I thought it would be fun to put this on a sign and put it in their dining room so it kind of tells more of their story. I want the typeface font that I like.
Right, let's go with it.
It's going to be sweet.
Yeah,
I'll leave this with you. It's a good song.
Yeah.
Okay, bye,
Well, I
Jimmy
guess I
Don.
need to get a CD if he's going to move to Waco.
I'll definitely give you a CD.
I got to support him, right?
Yeah.
Heck yeah. See you later.
Bye, Jimmy Don. Excited to see how this one turns out. I think it's going to be awesome. I can't wait for the Herreras to see it. After some bumps in the road with the roof, the ceilings, and the floors, the Herrera project is finally on schedule, and some of the big pieces of the puzzle are coming together now. So today,